Hello everyone, welcome back to the online learning classes. Standard 7th, subject is Science. Chapter number is 2 and the chapter name is Plants, Structure and Function. Let's recall, children, about parts of the plants: root, stems, leaves, flower and fruits are the parts of a plant. By studying these parts, we can identify the type and species of the plant. Children, carefully observe this picture. With this picture, you can easily understand how the parts of the plant is divided. Now we will see formation of the root. Children, observe this picture carefully. In this picture, we are seeing two parts. The first part, down one part is radicle and the upper one part is pluming. Now we will see the definition of radicle. The definition is the part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called radicle. In detail, I will explain. Radicle is the part that grows from inside the seed towards the soil. It forms the root system of the further plants. Roots grow under the soil. Observe this picture. You can see easily radicle. It is in white color. Now we will see the second part, that is plumule. Now we will see the definition of plumule. The part that grows above the soil is called plumule. Now in detail, I will explain this one. Plumule is the part that grows above the soil. As the seed germinates, it forms further short system. It grows above the soil. Now see the figure, the green part, the part that grows above the soil, that is a plumule. It is in green color. Now we will see root. Now root definition is part of the plant that grows under the soil and support the plants. It is called root. Roots is having two main types of roots. First one is taproot and second one is fibrous roots. In detail, I am going to explain root. The root that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to a pointed end. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called root. Now see this figure. In this figure we can see taproot and fibrous root. What we have learned today? We learned today parts of the plant, formation of root and types of root. Thank you, children.